Eric. Eric is an industrial automation system integrator. He works closely with industries in implementing Industry 4.0 solutions to meet their digital transformation goals. A key piece of the puzzle that Eric often comes across are the challenges associated with integrating data from OT assets with IT cloud applications. The key challenges that he encounters are data not structured in the manner expected by IT systems, unable to acquire data from disparate OT systems, security risks of transferring data between OT and IT networks. Eric presented these challenges and problems to Utthunga. We conducted an extensive analysis of the data transmission and security requirements and suggested the uOPC PubSub Bridge. Utthunga's uOPC PubSub Bridge is a cloud enterprise-ready solution that consolidates access to multiple OT data sources while ensuring secure data passage across the DMZ and firewalls during OT-IT integration. The uOPC PubSub Bridge is well suited to address all the key challenges that Eric has encountered during IT-OT integration. This single product can solve multiple problems for Eric, such as OT data and cloud enterprise-ready formats, act as a protocol bridge for OT connectivity, act as a DMZ gateway. With the uOPC PubSub Bridge, Eric now has a reliable, scalable, secure, and interoperable solution to address his IT-OT convergence challenges. If you face similar issues like Eric, contact Utthunga and implement the uOPC PubSub Bridge in your solutions. Connect with us to get a free trial version to evaluate the product before purchase. Utthunga, enabling digital transformation through OPC excellence.